Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we've got in with us a Polo GTI. So we've serviced this car before. It's back today to have the exhaust change. So it's currently got the stock exhaust, and we are going to be upgrading it to this one, which is a Milltek Catback exhaust system. So you've got the back box, center section, comes with the fitting kit as well. It's a very good exhaust for these cars. So let's get this raised up. Going to put some active stands under it, make it safe to work underneath, and let's get this old exhaust out. And once it's all done, let's see how this thing sounds. Maybe even take it for a road test. So let's go. Okay, so I've got the car jacked up slightly. So we're going to be disconnecting the exhaust from here. As you can see, that bracket is broken, corroded off at the front, and you can see the exhaust gases have been leaking through there as well. So we're going to be changing all of that. Have to probably remove this bracket has well over here, and working our way back there's another joint here. So this one and that one's going to get disconnected, and then you've got the rest of your exhaust back box over there. We can take it all apart and then start putting all the Milltek stuff in. So I'm gonna get the rest of all of this stuff off, get all this old stuff out of the way, because the weather's not really good today as usual. Looks like it's going to rain, so before it gets a bit worse I'm going to get underneath here, get all of this stuff off. So I'll get all of this off. Quite simple really. All you have to do is unbolt what's left of these two nuts. One of them is already off, it's broken off. Other one, I have a feeling when I put a socket on there it's just going to snap off. And the same thing over here. And then you've got a few exhaust hangers. There's one there, and there'll be a few further back where the back box is. And then it's just a matter of just shaking this out. And also this bracket over here, which is just looks like just 4 nuts holding them in. So yeah, pretty straightforward. So let's get all this off, and then I'll show you the rest of it after it's off. Let's go. Okay, so I've got the center part off. You can see this clamp here is completely gone. I thought it was the front section here that was completely corroded, but the back here at the top, it would have been set like that. Both of them just completely corroded. And this is what, this one's a bit older as well, but this one's in better condition. This is what they're supposed to look like. 13mm captured nut and captured bolt and nut. This one is completely gone. So very good that we're upgrading all of these. This pipe, center section pipe, a little bit rusty, but it's still got life left in it. So I don't know what the customer wants to do with this one. Maybe they'll just chuck it up on eBay or something, Facebook Marketplace, sell it. Somebody who just needs a quick cheap part to get their car to the MOT, I suppose. So this clamp here just bolted onto the body, the exhaust mount here. So I just removed it because it's easier to take this off out of the car and then transfer it over to the new one rather than struggle underneath, because obviously I'm working on the floor, so you don't really have the best space for ground clearance. So the next part is back box here. So I'm going to go underneath, raise the car a little bit more, and then should be a few exhaust mounts to get off, and then we'll have that off as well. So let's go. Okay, so I've got the exhaust all mounted now. That's the center pipe. Going across through here, and you can see the back box over there. If we go back to the front here for a second, I had to use an adapter that came with the kit, and it bolts onto the cat, and then the other side of it to the center section. So yeah, looks really good. We're going to come out of the car now, show the back of it. It's the back box over there. Underneath. So they send you a really good fitting kit for these. So yeah, so now I'm going to tidy things up, get this car on the floor. Let's start it, make sure everything's okay, and see how it sounds. So let's go. Okay, and that completes it. Exhaust is all done. on this Polo GTI. I don't know how well the camera will pick this up, well, the mic especially, so there you have it. Milltek Catback exhaust system. So we're going to take it for a little drive and then see how this all goes. We've got to make sure that it's not knocking anywhere. If it is, we need to get the car back up in the air, make some adjustments, move the exhaust a little bit. I've already moved it out a little bit. You don't want to move it out too much as well, but it can't be too in as well, because it's going to start getting a bit too loud inside. It's going to drone. So let's see how this goes. Okay, that's the Polo GTI completed. We've just got back from a road test, and happy to say it's driving quite well. The exhaust sounds really good. That's the new Milltek exhaust. So we didn't get any knocks or anything on the drive, which is very good, but I always like to double check things, so I'm just going to jack it up one last time, go underneath it, make sure everything's happy, make sure nothing's in the wrong place, and then this one's ready to get back on the road. So let's try and hear what this car sounds like. Right. Sounds very good. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you like this video, if it's helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment. I always try and answer as many comments as I can. You can follow us on Instagram, on TikTok. We're a lot more active on Instagram as well. You can ask us any questions, and if you have a Polo GTI of this model, I believe this is 2007, and you want to have your exhaust done, you can see how easy it is. If you want us to install it, give us a shout. We can come out to you and do it. We work around London, NW4 and W3 areas as well. So yeah, get in touch with us. If you've got any questions, please feel free to comment, ask us any questions you have. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like, subscribe button for us. It will help us, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.